Hey guys, I made macrame candy cane ornaments. I used red and white macrame cord. I cut both cords at 5 feet. Fold the ends to find the center and make a cross. My red cord was in the back. Bring the north cord over the white cord and to the left of the south cord. Then bring the south cord to the top. This should form 2 loops. Bring the west cord over the first loop and under the second loop. It should end up on the left side of the east cord. Then bring the east cord over the first loop and under the second loop. Pull the ends tight. Repeat this and it should form a spiral. This is where the wire will go. You could add the wire now and wrap around it, or wait till the end. It ended up being 6.5 inches. I twisted it to help loosen the knots. I cut a 6-inch wire, then inserted it through the center. I added glue before pulling the ends tight. Then cut the extra cord. And here's how it turned out.